If you want to cancel your Amazon Prime Video subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Log in using the account credentials associated with your Prime Video subscription. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, locate the account and list option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then select your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access your Prime membership. In the account settings, find and click on Prime Membership or your Prime membership. This will take you to the section where you can manage your subscription. Step 4. End your membership. Look for the option that says End Membership or Cancel Membership. Click on this option and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide feedback on your decision. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox to ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Amazon customer support.